Hi, I'm Danielle. I do too much. I like hair, talking, cosplay, music, art, and stuff.
Hey. Hello and welcome to StarPuppy. I'm Danielle, your resident weirdo. Welcome to the weirdness. I want to thank today's sponsor, me! Because I made this. AKA thank you to my patrons on Patreon. You allow me to do this even more full-time than before, and I really appreciate you joining me in the deluxe weirdness. If you'd like to join the deluxe weirdness, click here, and there's a link in the description box. And I'll see you there for all my super secret projects and my exclusive videos that I can't share on here. Africa. What is it? I'm an American who can find Africa on a map. Nice to meet you. We exist. So a few weeks ago, I was at a state fair because I'm wholesome, mostly. I was moseying about through all the tents and the vendors, and what did I come across but this? This is African black soap 100%, and I finally, after 3 or 4 years of being natural, bought some. So African black soap has the following benefits, especially this one that's in this tub specifically. African black soap is made in West Africa from palm oil, palm kernel oil, and water. The aroma and the deep, rich color result from the centuries-old extractor process that blends the two ingredients together, resulting in the finest skincare cleanser available. Relieves acne and removes blemishes. Cleans pores and rejuvenates skin, leaving your body fresh and clean. Ain't nobody fresh as me. I'm just so fresh and clean. Ain't nobody fresh as me. I'm just so fresh and clean. Clears pimples, rashes, eczema, fungus, ringworm, acne, and body odor. Oh my God, does it do my taxes too? Does it give good back rubs? And as far as for the hair, African black soap is used to cleanse the hair and won't dry out the hair the way synthetic shampoos do. It helps to not only moisturize the hair, but also soothe and add hydration to a dry scalp. You might be wondering, Danielle, this is how you talk. Danielle, why are you using African black soap after all this time? And first, I would say, you say time weird, but also I would say, it's fall. And winter is approaching, and I've noticed that like everything on my body, my hair starts doing different stuff than it has in the summer and the spring, and I really just don't want to be dry anymore. The other day, I woke up with a nosebleed like an anime character because it was just that dry in my room. So, I'm trying to test some different things that won't dry out my skin and my hair. Hi Rachel, I met you at an event and I'm so happy that we got to meet each other. Hello, that's my shout out. If you ever see me out in the wild, unless it looks like I really need that time or something's going down, please approach me. I love meeting you guys so much. First impressions. It smells like crayons. Ooh, tasty crayons. Can I eat this? I want to eat this. I'm going to eat this. Subscribe. This is Fluffnugget, by the way, my head of hair if you're new to the channel. Fluffnugget is 4C all over, fine strands, which means that each and every strand of my hair is very skinty minty. I'm gonna say medium density these days. Medium porosity, quite dry all the time, and prone to tangles if I leave it in a puff for 10 days. Oh. So what I'm gonna do is hop on in the shower and do my thing. scalp feels like clean, but moisturized. It did exactly what it said it would do. Like, it cleaned my hair. My hair, like, there is no doubt that all of that buildup and all of those knots, that's another thing. All that buildup is gone. My scalp feels really, like, cleansed but not stripped. That's so nice. It didn't tangle my hair up. I was fully waiting for, okay, so here's what happened. All those tangles in my head were definitely in my head. I put some water on it and it was starting to loosen it up. But then I was like, okay, well, looks like I'm gonna tangle it up some. And I put in the African black soap, but it didn't tangle it. Now, it didn't detangle it, okay? I'm not selling you a dream here. But it didn't immediately like kink up my hair and like make everybody mad. Because that has happened before and it will happen again. With something, but not with African black soap. I wash my hair in 6, maybe 5, 6 sections. So I'm really setting myself up for success instead of failure. This is a really great option. I can see why people use this, but yeah, I'm really liking this. I'm wondering how like this can be enhanced, like if you can add like oils or like maybe some Ayurveda in there, because y'all know how I feel about Ayurveda. I haven't used it on a channel in a minute. But I do exist outside of this screen, and I do be using it. I like it. I like it a lot. And it smells really good. It feels really good. It doesn't make me feel all like, okay, get the conditioner or your hair is going down the drain in 3, 2. So yeah, I'm really excited to continue down this rabbit hole. First stop was like just the bar of soap. I'm a big fan. I have so many bars left. Bars. So yeah, maybe check it out. I think it's a pretty cheap option. It's a natural option. I think you can use it over your whole body. Do a patch test. My right here was a little itchy for a few seconds. And I was like, oh, what kind of day are we gonna have? So make sure you're really careful. But my skin tends to want to freak out about something and then it doesn't. That's just kind of where I exist. So that's not out of the ordinary for me. But do a patch test. Don't play. But this has been me, Danielle, your resident weirdo. I upload content like this and also 20s Talk. I'm trying so hard to get back in my grind, guys, on Tuesdays at PM o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Make sure you subscribe and like. It really helps me defeat the algorithm dragon. And if you want to be part of the deluxe weirdness, make sure you go to this link or in the description box below and check out my Patreon, where deluxe weirdness is available, including exclusive videos that will never be released on this channel. All right. And that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching. This has been me, Danielle, your resident weirdo, StarPuppy, signing out. Say it with me now, StarPuppy. Away!
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed the video.